How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Well, today has been a great day so far. I got to play airsoft this morning up until early afternoon, and here I am on a small creek. This is definitely a creek that'll make you better. You'll have to roll cast into spots, bow and arrow cast into spots. There are some areas you can actually get a decent regular cast out, but it's a tight creek, bushes around, trout hide under these bushes, the creek goes under them, and there's actually some decent fish in here. So I fished this one time before. This is my second time fishing here, and I love fishing this small creek. Really don't see many people fish it, and when the first time I was here, I caught primarily all brown trout. I think that's all that's in here, and we'll see if I catch a rainbow, but not holding my breath on doing that, but I should be catching brown trout today for sure. So hopefully like the content. If you do, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Definitely be much appreciated. Otherwise, sit back and enjoy. May I'll see you on a river, creek, or possibly on an airsoft field. This is super bushy. There are trout in here. Shouldn't have missed that spot, but now I'll come back to it. Old Cast City in here. There we go. Not even fishing 5 minutes. Am I recording? Yes, sir. I just started recording. Thought he might be bigger. Fun little brown trout. Flies out. See a fish. A little bit bigger. I know there's some decent fish in here. I've seen them. There we go. That's a nicer fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, not down there. I'm gonna probably lose this fish. I'll be shocked if I get this one in. That is a nicer fish for today so far. Yeah, there we go. Nice solid brown. Come on down here. Solid brown. Solid brown. She's in a single fly setup right now. And he's gone. That was a nice, easily 12-inch fish right there. That was solid. Oh, that's a nice fish right there. Not far ahead of me. Right there. Right there. Totally saw that one. Stay out from there. I'll put it in the net. Let's make it easier. Right there. Made it easy. All right. There we go, flies out. Another solid, 10 to 12-inch fish. Let's see if I can do this. Unbutton my sleeve here. And try and measure them out on the new tat. If I can get a hold of them for a moment. Pretty brown. Oh, dude. Way bigger than I thought. 13-inch fish right there, easily. That's a 13-inch fish. Solid fish. New markings on my hand. That's 10. Right in here is 12. He was past it. He almost had my 14-inch mark. There's 16-inch. Dude, that's a solid fish for in here. Right ahead of me. Ooh, I think something rose right there. I'm gonna try to send a couple more answers. Not far ahead of me. Right there it is. Oh yeah. Nice fish. Where is he? Nice strong fighting fish. Out of the bushes, please. In the net. There we go. I saw a nice fish kind of rise. I don't know if it was him, but he came out from those branches. Nice fish. Let's see if I can get another measurement on him. Oh, nope, he ain't wanting that. That's another solid 12-inch fish though, all day long. That might have been about a 13-inch fish too. A little bit thicker than the last fish. Solid 12-inch fish for sure. That was fun right there. Came out from the undercut, you know, the bushes. This river goes under it. Love fishing this creek. There we go. There we go. That's a third one right in this spot. Feisty little guy. Oh. How did you do that? How did you eat it like that? Ugh. Oh, that's a nice fish right ahead of me. Look at this. He's 4 feet ahead of me. He's right here. Look up, buddy. One time. Really nice fish. That'll be the fish of the day right there. Oh, there he goes. Oh. Oh. Crap. Nice fish right there. Well, this is a good example of a roll casting situation. I get even lower to the ground, lower to the water. There we go. There we go. Second cast, roll casting up into there. Oh, nice solid fish. In the net, a solid brown for in here. Let's try and set this down. Whatever, it ain't going anywhere. Get my hands wet. Always good to get your hands wet before you touch fish. That's number 14. Number 14 for the day. Oh, yeah, back-to-back casts. That was back-to-back. Back-to-back cast right there. Fish just waiting for it. Come on, line. Give me a break. Back-to-back cast. Number 15 for the day. I'm not going to tell you what I'm using, but oh, come on. Come on, buddy. Dude, really? There it is. Number 15 for the day. At least trying to get to 20 before I stop. I'm not all that far away. There we go. Another fun fish. Dude, number 19 right here. Just need one more. Just need one more and I'm going to call it a day. Didn't even start fishing in the morning, just kind of late afternoon. That was number 19. Let's get this one in. Let's get him in the net. Flippity floppity. There we go. Hit the finish line with that one. This is number 20. Number 20 for the day. Number 20 right there. Solid 10, 11 inch fish. Boom. I am still going to fish right up to that though, and then I will call it.